The doula is mostly there to protect the birthing space of a woman, to make sure that she doesn't have to answer any questions, she's not feeling under threat or panicked at all by her situation. Women and men have two parts of their brain, the old brain and the new brain. The new brain, known as the new cortex, is the bit that's responsible for our higher level cognitive processes such as thinking and speech. I don't know if you've ever seen an animal giving birth, but they tend to have very easy labours, and that's because they don't have this part of their brain. They exist in their old part of their brain and they can just sort of switch off and give birth very easily. The doula is there to help the mother tune out of the new part of her brain and sort of exist solely in the old part. Tuning out of the new part of the brain is done by avoiding speech, avoiding feeling threatened, and just generally being very relaxed. I don't know if you've seen a woman in labour, but when she's in hard labour, she can sort of say very either mean things or things she doesn't mean, or get very stressed or tell you to go away. And that's all because she's sort of turned off this thinking part of her brain, and she's just existing in this kind of like muddled, kind of half scrambled speech. Childbirth is an involuntary process. It's just like going to the toilet. It will happen whether you want it to or not at some point, which basically means that the traditional methods of Lamaze, the funny breathing and all of those things, they don't really work, because in order to breathe rhythmically, you actually have to think and engage about breathing rhythmically, which is actually detrimental to the birthing process.